back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about drinks for cardiovascular system, which is known as Arteriosclerosis. So today I'm just going to show you simple fruits which we use to treat this particular cardiovascular system diseases. We treat it, and also it helps to protect our hearts for having this disease, which is known as arteriosclerosis. These two different type of fruits are very wonderful to our health, and as much as we make use of them on a daily basis, it helps to protect every part of our systems and make sure we are doing well. And the properties of these two different fruits is more in alkaline. It's alkaline, so it's alkalizing as well, artery protective and vision protective. So you can see that as much as you use this particular two simple carrot juice, it helps to protect us very well, to protect your heart from having any kind of disease known as hypertension or stroke. You know, when there is much hypertension in the system, it can lead to stroke, and which is not good for our system. This simple carrot juice is also good to protect us against any type of cancer, both breast cancer, prostate cancer, and other cancers that can involve into human beings' life. So in as much you are taking this, I want to advise as well, there are some certain things you must do. You must know that you should do away with what we call stress. Stress is not good for the heart. Secondly, your weight. When the weight is more, it's not actually good for our hearts. So you must keep into moderation. Always check your weight. Know where you are crossing beyond the limit. Make sure you retain the normal weight that you used to have. Do away with what we call alcoholic. Most of these things are not good for the heart. It troubles the systems and can lead to what we call this hypertension or cardiovascular system disease. So I wouldn't like to waste much of our time. I'll just be taking you in now for us to do the practical, to show you how to extract this carrot juice in order to use it to keep ourselves living healthy on a daily basis. Thank you very much. And again, if you have any question to ask on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask your questions. I'll be there for you to respond back to any question being asked. Thank you, and God bless you. Let's go. Here we are for the practical. This is exactly what we are using today for this practical. We are having here is our carrot and our lemon. As you can see, this carrot is a very wonderful fruit that prevents cholesterol from oxidizing and damaging the arteries. Carrot, you can see here, is also good. It protects the inner layers of the arteries, so-called intima, from the effect of oxidized cholesterol, thereby decreasing the risk of embolism and thrombolysis. It also decreases the heart attack disease and also other cardiovascular accidents known as stroke. Also, is a very wonderful fruit that has the content of what we know as vision protective and anti-anemic and the hypertensive protection. So carrot is just a very wonderful fruit that can do all things to prevent and protect our hearts from having anything called heart attack and other cardiovascular system disease. So we also have our lemon. Lemon, you can see, is a very wonderful fruit that helps us in our respiratory systems and other diseases in the system. Lemon is a very wonderful fruit that is very much in alkaline. It's alkalizing and as well artery protective. So lemon is as much as providing all the necessary things required to prevent this cardiovascular system disease. So here I wash the carrot. I make sure I wash the carrot with a very neat water and salt. Why I wash this carrot is to make sure that I disinfect it from any bacterial infection that can be harmful to our system. So the next thing now is to chop the carrot. So I make sure I chop the carrot in a pieces form so that it can be very easy to be blended in our blender. So make sure that you chop it in a way it will be easy for you to blend. So that's exactly what I'm doing now, to chop it. And be careful as you are chopping, be watchful, and so you cannot be able to cut off your hand or wound yourself. So you chop it. So here is our carrot. You can see I have chopped the carrot into a pieces form where it will be very easy for us to blend it. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to take the carrot and insert it into our blender, where I'll be blending it to give us the carrot juice which we need. So that's exactly what I'm doing now, fixing it into our blender where I will blend it. You can see the way I fixed it in our blender. So what we need now to do is, for you to get this carrot properly, just fix a glass of water, just 1 glass of water into the blender so that you can be able to allow the carrot to blend smoothly and easy. So we blend. We now blend it. Now the carrot is ready. So you can see the way the carrot looks like. I've gotten it to exactly the way we need it so that it can be easy to juice out. So the next step now is to juice it out to get the carrot's water. That's exactly what we need here. We are not taking this one in a smoothie form, rather is to juice it out and get the water which is needed for this. Now is for us to juice out our lemon water that will be adding into the simple carrot juice. So this is exactly what makes it to be a simple carrot juice. So we insert our extractor to extract the water from the lemon. So to extract the water, so 1 spoon of this is only what is needed for this 1 glass of carrot juice. So we'll be inserting this 1 spoon into the carrot water. So that is exactly what is giving us this simple carrot juice. Yeah, so our simple carrot juice is ready. So 1 glass of this carrot juice is what an adult can take once a day. 1 glass of this per day. Please, if you want to protect yourself against any cardiovascular system disease or arteriosclerosis, so this 1 glass is needed for an adult once a day. Please, if you find this tutorial very effective, kindly subscribe, like, share, thumb up, and as well leave your comment on the comment box. And don't forget to turn up your notification bell for more updates. I really appreciate you all for the time given for this tutorial. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye for now.